Today I thought I would take you through start to finish. I have not sketched anything on this canvas yet. I'm going to use a real slate pencil in order to put the sketch onto this black canvas. And I'm going to start with the focal point, which I'm going to draw a face. The first thing that I usually do is map out if I'm drawing straight onto a canvas and not working from a preliminary sketch where then I will transfer the image onto the canvas, which is a lot easier. Today I don't feel like going through the time of creating a preliminary sketch and everything like that, but I have a kind of an idea in my head, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to start sketching directly onto the canvas. The great thing about these pencils is that they're easy to wipe off. So yeah, let's get started. I've got kind of this face mapped out here, the neck kind of coming down here. I think I'm going to have her having a cloak or a hood going over her head. So I've just kind of mapped out some lines here. I'd like to have some maybe curls framing her face a little bit. So I have the face placement. Then of course adding some of my little avian friends. I left a space here because I think I'm going to put a bird head coming in this way. Possibly have a couple of other birds, maybe some feathers. I do love my birds, so yeah.
So for this painting, I decided that I was going to do a grayscale painting with just a couple pops of color in it, or one pop of color really. And so I'm going to neutralize the carbon black by using burnt umber. So I use the equal amounts of burnt umber and carbon black and mix them together, and then add small amounts of titanium white until I get a nice grayscale.
Everybody can see this. I had to like change lighting. Lighting is such a problem at this time of year because the sun is way lower down on the horizon and it shines right in these windows. So I have to use like blackout curtains because otherwise, it's annoying. Okay, so I like to use flat brushes generally for painting. And I'm just going to start getting some of where the brightest highlights would be on here. And that would be on the bridge of the nose. The tip of the nose is usually an area where, and this might not be exact, but I'm just kind of trying to figure out where some of these areas would be and maybe kind of highlighting the outside of the nose there.
So once I have the brightest highlights on the face, I start working down in my grayscale towards the darker, more shadowy areas in order to help create that three-dimensional figure on a two-dimensional surface.
It's gonna look like Liza Minnelli. That I did not expect. Let's start painting one of the birds in here and maybe this one, and then I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with the rest of the painting at this point, but I think I'm going to try and get the birds painted in, and then I can see, as far as the composition is concerned, where other elements will need to go. I think that up here I'm going to draw in some almost like bird feathers or something like that, so that there's kind of this spray of feathers coming out. Right now she's, you know, I haven't finished the hood or anything because I'm not really sure how I want to do that, so I'm going to just start kind of sketching some stuff in and then we'll go from there.